Hi, Madeline here from Sonic Bloom with a new episode of the Ableton Live Insider Tips. And this time I technically have two little tips for you for creating or changing MIDI notes in the MIDI editor in Live. And for the first one, all you have to do is to do a double click and then drag right away. So you keep the mouse pressed, and then you can just do that and draw notes of variable length. And you can also do that by dragging to the left to create shorter notes than the grid currently set to. And then the other trick is if you select one of the MIDI notes and you hold Shift, you can increase or decrease the note length by the grid setting using the arrow keys left or right. Well, I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you did, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye!